Today I'll go over some of the key questions about Honeywell evaporative air coolers, so you can make sure your space stays cool and comfortable. Air coolers work best when humidity is low, because it uses a natural process of water evaporation to turn warm, dry air into cool, moist air. Regular fans circulate air without cooling it, while mist fans spray water all over. Honeywell evaporative air coolers create a powerful blast of cool air. Air coolers should not be expected to cool to the same degree as an air conditioner. Air conditioners require a chemical refrigerant and an energy-consuming compressor to transform hot air into cool air, creating much cooler temperatures artificially. Whereas an air cooler uses the natural power of water evaporation to cool incoming hot air and a fan to disperse this naturally cooled air. It is more accurate to think of an air cooler as an upgrade to a classic fan. Air coolers are a great low-cost option for homes that might not have AC. When used properly in ideal conditions, it can cool temperatures up to 15 degrees. Indoor air coolers work best with humidity up to 50%. Outdoor air coolers work best in humidity up to 60%. Be sure to have good cross ventilation. Keep your doors and windows open for circulation, to avoid moisture buildup, and for the maximum cooling power. Indoor air coolers are a great option for homes that already have central AC because they add some much needed humidity to dry air. You can even use them in campers and RVs as long as there's good cross ventilation. This indoor model works best for small bedrooms or areas up to 100 square feet. This model is great for living rooms or similar sized areas up to 280 square feet. For outdoor cooling, evaporative air coolers are one of the only options for actually reducing temperatures, making them perfect for a backyard or patio. They even work well in garages and workshops. These evaporative coolers even have airflow that's strong enough to keep mosquitoes and other bugs away. And they come with a continuous water supply connection, so it automatically refills and you never have to worry about it. These models can be used indoors or outdoors for areas from 300 square feet to 850 square feet. You can also visit this URL to find out which air cooler best fits your needs. Enter in your room size and your ceiling height, and it'll calculate it for you and tell you which cooler is best for you. If you have more questions about Honeywell evaporative air coolers, contact our customer care team.